Xiaoming Industrial Company Limited was established in Dongguan City. With 16 years of development, Xiaoming has become a large-scale comprehensive packaging enterprise. Our main products included a variety of plastic bags, lamination bags, and food packing bags, a variety of high-frequency sealing bags, a variety of blister packaging products, a variety of sewing handbags, tool bags, cosmetic bags, and shopping bags. We aim to provide a one-stop shop service to our customers so as to save their sourcing costs. In order to compete in fiercely competitive market, we continue to innovate new products, improve quality management and technical strength. We own various production equipments, various testing equipment, and our own development department and lab. The products have passed the GMP, FDA, REACH, ROSE, California 65, and other environmental protecting requirements of SGS, ITS, BV, CTI, and other well-known third-party organizations, and meet various quality, safety, and environmental standards requirements of various countries. We gained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and QS certification, and we have been a designated supplier for famous brand customers. In the forthcoming future, we will insist on serving our customers with enthusiastic service, high-quality products, international management, and high-end technology, and gradually expand our market shares globally. All our employees will continue to enhance their skills and techniques with their full enthusiasm, maintain the company's core competitiveness, and strive to make the company to be one of the well-known international packaging companies.